Welcome to the Best Business Software's YouTube channel. Today we'll be showing you the steps on creating an AI character on Feelin AI. The first step would be to select your preferred character settings for the AI character you want to create. You can select the preferred model for your AI character based on how you want it to interact. Then you go ahead to customize the character appearance by giving a prompt on how you want it to look. So basically describe the picture of the AI character you have in mind and your ideas will become a reality. In this video, we will be creating a character called Mr. Mystery. So when you are done writing the prompt, go ahead and click Generate and watch your ideas come to life. Being able to create AI characters this way makes it a seamless, easy, and fun procedure that anyone would enjoy doing. This is just another one of the perks that makes Feelin AI a standout platform. It basically takes less than a minute for the character appearance to be formed according to the prompt, and you will get to choose 1 out of 4 generations. Like we mentioned earlier in the video, the name of the character we're creating is Mr. Mystery. Now we're diving into one of the most exciting parts of the process, developing the character exhibition for Mr. Mystery, and I will be taking you through all the steps. The first step here is to write a richly detailed summary of who Mr. Mystery is. This step is absolutely crucial, as it lays the foundation for everything the character will say, do, and ultimately become throughout your interactions or storytelling experience. The second step is to build an engaging description, a compelling narrative that paints a vivid, immersive picture of Mr. Mystery for any user, helping them instantly visualize and connect with the character's presence, style, and personality. This description sets the mood, tone, and intrigue that surrounds Mr. Mystery, making him more than just a name. It makes him unforgettable. The third step is to define Mr. Mystery's behavior. This is where we decide how Mr. Mystery acts. Think of it as giving the AI behavioral instructions, how they should respond, react, and engage. Now let's anchor Mr. Mystery in a physical scene. In this case, we're placing him inside a white mansion. The fourth step is to create a sample dialogue. It helps show your character in action. Let's create a short exchange between Mr. Mystery and another character named Lena. Then we go ahead to write an opening for Mr. Mystery conversation with users. The opening really has to embody the traits of Mr. Mystery. The fifth step is defining the user persona of Mr. Mystery. In other words, how he would present himself as an AI character to the world. An exciting feature coming soon to the Feelin AI platform is audio conversations. So users would be able to talk with the AI character. I'm sure you are really looking forward to that. So now that we are done, we click on Create Character. And that's how we shape the foundation of a character using Feelin AI. From a strong summary to a scene-rich dialogue, every detail breathes life into Mr. Mystery. If you enjoyed this video, do well to like and drop a comment. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more content like this.